good.
Good. Just gonna set these off and then get out of your way.
Oh, no problem. Boy, it's pretty smoky out there. Damn, this Voodoo Ranger's kicking my ass, and then I checked it out, it's like 9.5%. Oh, I had an empty stomach, I haven't eaten. Thanks for the extra show there.
Oh yeah, have a good shoot.
Yeah, you too, man. You gonna try to...
Happy 4th.
Hey, you too. Try to go downtown or?
No, we're here.
Oh, just gonna get out before the traffic.
No, we're sitting on a yacht over here.
Oh, that's cool. Lucky, you missed the traffic. Boat people. Yeah, that's a hell of a yacht over there. I guess they're over there on that boat. Well, that's nice. I wonder if it's a rental. I'm going to say it's a rental. But yeah, you never know. But yeah, looks like we got someone broke down on the bridge. Traffic is backed up. That is not where I'd want to be right now. That must really suck. It's fucking pissing now. I'm broke down on a freaking bridge. I got a freaking traffic piled up from me to Douglas. But, yeah. So I guess we're gonna do, hey, I got one of these Chuli stouts going on here. You know, I don't know if I'm in focus. I mean, it's misty. It's half the fireworks are probably just blur. But hey, that's life. Yeah, here we are. Overnight camping in a director's chair. Because hey, I am the director and the producer. Don't know how much time we got left on this thing here. Hey, let's check the weather. It's 104. Oh, yeah, 49. 40% percent. 81% humidity. Nice. So yeah, I don't know. I guess it's not the best of conditions. Yeah, hey, we got plenty of beer. I got at least a 6-pack stashed around this bike. Oh well. Sitting here drinking a beer. I'll be back eventually. Don't freak out. Women. Welcome to the Alaska Triangle, eh? Pretty peaceful out here now. The traffic's died down. There's still the dead car on the bridge. People are probably pissed. This traffic is crawling. Yeah, that's some backed up freaking traffic.